In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut PC the easy way, step by step. Whether you want to add background music, a sound effect, or an audio file from your computer, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and cleanly inside CapCut. And once you know this workflow, you can use it for almost any project, from short videos to full edits. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. If you already have a video on the timeline, great. If not, you can start a new project and import your clips first, because the music will be added right into your edit. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Audio. This is where CapCut keeps all of its music and sound options. After you click Audio, you'll see different ways to add sound to your project. You can browse the built-in music library if you want to use one of CapCut's available tracks, or you can click Import if you already have an audio file saved on your computer. This is useful if you've downloaded music, recorded your own audio, or want to use a specific track that matches your video style better. If you want to use music from the existing library, just browse through the categories until you find something that fits your video. You can usually preview the track before adding it, which helps you choose the right mood, tempo, or energy for your content. Once you find the audio you want, click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. If you prefer, you can also drag the audio directly down into the timeline area. Both methods work well, so use whichever feels faster for you. After the audio is added, click on the audio track in the timeline to select it. This is important because once the track is selected, you can start adjusting it exactly how you want. On the right panel, CapCut gives you several audio controls that make it easy to shape the sound of your video. For example, you can adjust the volume if the music is too loud or too quiet. You can also add fade in if you want the music to start smoothly, and fade out if you want it to end more naturally instead of cutting off suddenly. Depending on your version and the type of audio you added, you may also see speed controls and other audio settings that help you fine-tune the track even more. Take a moment to listen back and make sure the music blends well with your video. A good rule is to keep background music low enough that it supports the video without overpowering your voice or main audio. If needed, go back and make small adjustments until everything sounds balanced, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add music in CapCut PC, whether from the built-in library or from your own files, and how to adjust the audio so it fits your project properly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.